Welcome, beautiful people, to my channel. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I will be your guide through today's tour. Now, I'm right here in Ikota Lekki, Lagos, to show you this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ that is in the market for 220 million naira. Now, this price is slightly negotiable, but we'll get to talk about that when you call. Tell us your offer, and we'll see if that's something we can work with. It is in a very secured and habitable neighborhood right here in an estate in Ikota. Now, in a couple of seconds, I will flip this camera to tour this property. I'll be giving you a detailed tour of this property. So you have to watch this video till the end. It has a title of Governor's Consent and also has its building approval available. We have those ones in front here and we have some of them right behind. I'll also be giving you a glimpse of that one during the course of this video so that you get to see the one that you would prefer. Now, before I do that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a pleasure to grace your screen today. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I have such a beautiful family here on YouTube that we're growing together, and I would really be honored to welcome you into that family. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so every time I post a video here, you get notified. Now, just in case this is also above your budget or below your budget, or this doesn't even fit into what you want, either you want to land commercial property, whatever kind of property you want, just reach out to us on that number. Tell us your real estate demands and be sure that we'll get you nothing but the best of credible properties. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera and then we'll tour this property together while I give you more information about it. Come along with me. So welcome back, beautiful people, to my channel. And this right here is the unit we would be inspecting, but before we go in, I told you we have some right at the back, so let me just give you a quick glimpse at that one. But this is the one we would be focusing on today. So let's just see the units at the back. So in front we have 2 units in front, and we also have 2 units in at the back of it. So this is the driveway to the units at the back. The same structure, the same interior, everything is literally the same, but I'll just give you a glimpse of this, and they're both selling for the same amount. All right, they're both selling for the same amount. Okay, so here's the parking space for this can take 2 cars conveniently. Nothing more than 2 cars can fit into this compound. Okay, all right, so this is what we have right at the back, just 2 units at the back of it, and then this gives you access to the back of this unit, and there's another one that gives access to the back of that one there. All right, so let's see this one that I said we would be focusing on. Just 4 units, and you know how finished houses are. It is available this minute. You don't know what will happen the next minute. That's why you have to call me immediately if this fits into what you want. All right, so this is the one we would be inspecting. Okay, the structures are different. Actually, the structure in front, this one's in front, they are quite different from the ones behind. It's not the same structure, so I take back my words, the words I said earlier. All right, so this is the compound space, and this also can take just 2 cars only. Nothing more than 2 cars can fit into this compound, so you also have enough space to move around. Let's look at it from this angle as well, and here's a better view at the structure. All right, so let's see the BQ before we go inside, so I don't just show you the interior alone. I like to also show you the surrounding. Now, the walkway to the back of the house, honestly, it is not spacious. Yes, if it's spacious, I'll tell you, but this one is not spacious. I mean, 2 people cannot walk side by side each other at the same time. You can just walk behind each other, but the back here, it is more spacious, and there's a tap behind. There's another one right there, and then this is the back. So they've made provisions for CCTV right here. Just install it there. Oh my God, this PQ is small. This PQ is small. Whew. Okay, so this is the size of the BQ. This is the size of the BQ. And then this is the toilet and bath. The toilet and bath, the size is not bad for what I've been seeing lately, but the room itself is actually small. This gives you access, exit out of the kitchen. Okay, we're done here. So let's now go and see the interior of this house. All right. Please stick around till the end of this video. This might just be the property you have been looking for. Okay, now let's go in. You can see that the door has a smart lock. So just in case you don't want to use the manual key, you can just put a code on it. All right, so we're inside now, and then let's see the full size of the living area first before we begin to explore. Okay, let me stand here. I feel like this will give us a better view of it. So here's the full size of the living area. 220 million naira, slightly negotiable. We have inbuilt speakers right here. We have this TV console at this angle here. Quite a number of windows so you can show proper ventilation here. We have this design by the wall here. And to this angle, we have right under the staircase. This is your wine section, right under the staircase. And you can just put some artificial plants right there, just give it for better aesthetics. And over here is where we have the guest toilet. All right, so next is the guest room. Here's the toilet and bath for the guest room. Now, for those who do not know where Ikota is located, so if you're coming from the Lekki Phase 1 axis, right after Chevron is where you have the second toll gate. So right after Chevron is Orchid, and then after Orchid is Ikota. So Ikota is before VGC, it is before AJAH, it is before Ibrahim Adesoya and Shangotedo. So for people who do not want to go down to that axis, I mean to AJAH axis and the likes, Ikota is a very good place to settle in. Also, Ikota here is where we have the Lekki County home. So this is a very good and habitable neighborhood. Now, this is designated for your refrigerator. We have a microwave and oven here, an extractor, and a gas burner right here. And there's a kitchen island right at the middle here. And we have we have inbuilt speakers here. We have quite a number of cabinetries for storage as well. Okay, and this is for the washing machine, and this gives you exits from the kitchen. All right, so let's go upstairs and see what we have there. Now, just limited units available. For the ones in front, we only have 2 units, remember. And then okay, the staircase has a motion sensor light, as you can see. So as I was saying, for the ones in front, we have just 2 units available. So if at the end of this video you love what you see, kindly give us a call immediately before your preferred unit will get sold out. I know there's some people who like the front unit. So now that it is still available as of this moment, I am making this video. I can't tell what will happen the next minute. I would advise that you contact us immediately. All right, so we are upstairs now, and this is the family lounge. I actually would have preferred this family lounge more spacious than this, you know. Okay, so we have 3 rooms upstairs and then 1 room downstairs. We've seen 1 room. This is room number 2. Okay, the toilet and bath first. Remember I said that just in case this doesn't fit into what you want, we have other properties in different locations, also in this same location. Above this price, we also have below this price. So if this doesn't fit into what you want, give us a call. We also have land selling, like I said. We have off-plan properties. Some of them have up to 1 year payment plan. We have commercial properties. Just tell us what you want, And be sure we'll get you nothing but credible properties only. Governor's consent is the title, and it also has a building approval. Give us a call immediately to schedule an inspection. If you love what you see, send a trusted representative. If you're in diaspora or you're not in Lagos, let me bring the person here before your preferred unit gets sold out. Remember, I said the price is slightly negotiable. Yes, there can be a slight reduction in price. This is the master's bedroom, and this is the full size of it. Also has a mute speaker right here, and there's a balcony just at this angle here. All right, let's begin to explore. So right at this angle, we have a TV console here, and then beside it is the wardrobe area here. And then finally the toilet and bath. Now if you've watched this video, say, okay, let me even give you a better view from the balcony, so you get to see that the neighborhood is habitable. It is not in any right of way of any drainage system or whatever. For those who are scared of demolition issues, you see there's no drainage system or anything around it, so it is in a good location inside Ikota. And even when you come for inspection, we definitely survey the neighborhood very well, so you get to attest to this fact. So right here is the toilet and bath. We have this walk-in shower right here for the master's bedroom. So this is what we have here today: 4-bedroom, semi-detached duplex with a BQ here in Ikota Lekki, Lagos, selling for 220 million naira with a title of a governor's consent, and also has a building approval. Now, if you watch this video till this point, trust me, I have a big smile on my face right now, and it's all thanks to you. Please do not leave without subscribing. If you've not subscribed, I really would love to have you as part of the family I have here on YouTube. I have such a beautiful family here, a beautiful community here that we're growing together, and it will be an honor to have you there. So as you're watching this video, please take this moment to hit the subscribe button right now, so you don't get to miss out on any of our subsequent updates. Also share this video to people you know are out there looking for properties that this fit into their preference. Thank you for watching this video till the end. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. Till I come your way next time, my name is Victoria Chizobaduraku. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.